Do you really need service information when you're doing just an oil change? Yes, you do. We're going to find out why next.
This video is sponsored by ProDemand from Mitchell 1. Complete OEM and real-world repair information delivered in a single lookup. For more information and a free demonstration, visit mitchell1.com.
This video comes from one of our readers. His name's Charles, and he was wondering about oil. At his shop, he had a very special vehicle come in from a very special customer, and he was wondering if he had the right oil in stock for it. I asked him, did you look at the service information? He said no. He looked at the service information. He saw that it was a 5W20, which he already knew, but he also found out the 5W20 at his shop does not meet the specifications for the vehicle. The vehicle, kind of special, a big 5-liter V8 with direct fuel injection and supercharging. So that oil that he carried, it may have met the same weight, but not the same standards. In this case, the service information prevented him from making a mistake by putting the wrong oil in the vehicle. And this is why service information is critical even for some of the most common of jobs at your shop. I'm Andrew Markel. Thank you very much.